Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up contactless payments with Revolut app. So without any delay, let's get started. First, open your Revolut app and make sure you're signed into your account. Now find the card you'd like to enable for contactless payments and click on it. Now access the menu and then go to Settings. Within Settings, locate the contactless payment option under Card Security and enable it. Next, enable the NFC feature on your phone, which is typically found in the Connections settings. So that's it, guys. You are all set to use contactless payments with Revolut. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.